எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். வெல்கம் பேக் டு சகி எஜுகேஷன். இன்னும் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற விஷயம் கிரியா. கிரியாவில் there are two types of kriya, akarma kriya or sakarma kriya. As you all know, kriya என்னன்னு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். Kriya means action words. Padhna, likhna means writing, playing, anything we are doing, teaching, reading, that all called kriya means verb. Action words are called verb. In that we have divided verb into two types, mainly akarmak or sakarmak. Akarmak means akarma, without karma. Akarma means without karma. Karma means object. Karma means object. See here, Rakesh sota hai. Rakesh sota hai. Karta. Here, karta means the subject. Who is doing the action? That is karta. Subject. Who is doing the action is subject. That is karta. So who is doing here? Rakesh sota hai. Rakesh is sleeping. So who is doing? Who is sleeping? Rakesh. So when we are asking who is sleeping, we are getting the answer. That is called who. That person is called the subject, karta. And what he is doing? He is sleeping. Sleeping is an action word. He is sleeping. So that is our kriya or verb. Rakesh sota hai. And वह किताब पढ़ती है. कौन किताब पढ़ती है? वह. So who is doing the action? वह. So this is कर्ता, our subject. वह क्या पढ़ती है? वह किताब पढ़ती है. So वह क्या पढ़ती है? What is the कर्ता? What is he doing? He is reading a book. So reading will be पढ़ती है. पढ़ना means to read. Reading will be kriya. क्या पढ़ती है? What she is reading? She is reading a book. So this kitab. Kitab is the our object. Karma. Karma means object. So karta, subject. Karma, object. Kriya, verb. Subject means the person who is doing the action. Object means this. The subject is the effect of subject on the verb is object. And kriya means our verb. And now we will see about akarmak or sakarmak. How we can identify if a particular sentence is akarmak या sakarmak. See here, Rakesh सोता है. बस चलती है. As I told, बस चलती है. बस is the subject here. We got the subject. चलती है is the verb here. There is no karma. So if the sentence is not having karma, that is called akarmak. Akarma means without karma. So in akarma kriya, there won't be any object. So this is akarmak. Next, वह किताब पढ़ती है. वह is our subject. As I told, subject. किताब क्या पढ़ती है? किताब. When we are asking questions, वो क्या और कौन? क्या करती है? What she is doing? Who is doing? Like that, when we get an answer, that sentences are called sakarma kriya. Sakarma kriya means with karma. The karma should be there. Object should be there. So that is the difference between akarma kriya or sakarma kriya. In akarma kriya, object will be there. Thanks for watching.